Hey everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Lisa, your host for today's video. So I'm here at my daughter's house. So she's just moving into her first house. And I just want to give you a brief tour now. We're just getting started with moving in. So there's no furniture or anything in here. But I just want to give y'all a little overview. So here's her front door area here. I like that she has some type of pad where she can open and close her door via her phone or some type of app or whatever. So I really like that. So we're going to go ahead and go in. And she has a little area here when you walk in. Not sure, you can't do too much to it because when you walk in, you're walking in this way. I was telling her that she can put a little small entryway table there and maybe with a small lamp here. And I have the perfect entryway table at my house that I can bring over here. She can put a little small entryway table here, but this is her entryway. And so we're coming in and I'm gonna go ahead and lock these doors. Okay, and so there's Rylan. Say hey, YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
Okay, so that's the stairs there. So now I'm going to go over this way. We hung this mirror yesterday. We need to clean it off because there's fingerprints and stuff everywhere. So panning on over here, you're going to see a lot of items that I've already bought over here for my home to give her, such as these plaques. If you've been following me, you're going to see a lot of stuff that came from my house. These plaques, those lamps, those tables, that carpet, those stools and stuff like that. So yes, this is her living room area here, and then her dining room area over there. She wants to put her TV on this wall. We've already started hanging wall art over here. We ran into like a board where I couldn't get that in there, so I'm just gonna wait till my husband get here to finish hanging wall art. Here's her area rug that I'm giving her, and some more items, the other plaques. Her dining room area, I've already hung a wall art here on the wall. And then you can see this little cute, super cute ginger jar that I just gave to her. And some mirrors and stuff. There's Latrell. Say, hey, YouTube. Latrell don't want to be on YouTube. Okay. So that's the living room area coming out of the kitchen. And then this is her dining room area. And the kitchen is this way over here behind me. She has the dark oak wood. How you turn the light on in the kitchen? Let's say dishwasher liquid, garage disposal. Where the kitchen light at? Let's see. Let me find the kitchen light. So I found the kitchen light, and her refrigerator is gonna go here. The house didn't come with a refrigerator, so we'll have to get her a refrigerator. But it did come with a stove. We have a washer and dryer that's going to be coming later today. Her washer and dryer area is here. And then she has, this is the garage back here. There's a 2-car garage back there. So I'm just going to go ahead and lock these doors back. Hey. So the doors are locked. The backyard is a nice size backyard. I love her backyard. I can't wait to come over here and put her up a gazebo and bring her some of my extra outdoor furniture. I'm going to give her that BCP sectional. Ryan, go put the trash in there where the other trash at, honey. Thank you. And see, her kids are already starting to take their shoes off, which is good. And because the house actually has, I don't know if this is laminate or vinyl, not sure, all over except for the stairs. I think they may have put the carpet on the stairs so no one can fall. That's what I'm thinking, because it may be slippery coming down. You think, Rylan? And maybe they put the carpet on here so you won't fall when you come down. Me too. So let's go ahead and go up the stairs to show you the rooms. It's a 3-bedroom. Oh, I didn't show y'all the powder room downstairs. I'll show y'all that when I get back down there. So going to the left is Latrell's room here. He wanted to be on the opposite side of the house than his mom and his brother. So here's Latrell's room. And coming out of Latrell's room, you can look down and see Her living room, I've always wanted to do like a video looking down on somebody's living room, and I can't wait to get her living room set up so I can come over here and do a video. So here's the boys' bathroom here. I can't wait to decorate it. They want a blue bathroom. So, and here, oh, I forgot to show this one. Thank you, Rylan. This is a little closet, like a, yeah, they're going to put, what is for, Rylan?
The towels and the cologne and stuff.
Oh, you're going to put towels and cologne in here? Oh, you're not going to keep your cologne in your room? You're going to keep your cologne in the hallway? I will keep my cologne in my room so my brother won't use it. So Rylan said he's going to put his towels and cologne in here. Yeah, so he on his phone in there, huh? Okay, cut the light off in the bathroom. I like the details of the doors in this house. Like, check out this utility closet door and even this bedroom door. These doors are really nice. So we go down this way, and here's Rylan's room. He wanted to be close to his mom, and so he has a little game room. Let me see your game room sign. Will it come on? It won't come on. And here's Rylan's closet. And here's one of those super cute doors again. I'm loving the doors in this house. I love them. So this is Rylan's room. And then we go on to over this way, which is the master bedroom. We started bringing items in here yesterday. So here's her closet. No, this is not a closet. Here's her bathroom here. Hey guys. And we're gonna come on this way. I love these windows. I like the molding around the windows. This is really nice molding. Oh, you're opening the blinds for me, Rylan. Thanks. Yeah, really nice molding. It's a pretty nice neighborhood that she's living in. Then she has, like, if you step back, like her bed will go over. Y'all can't really see for the lighting. So the bed will go over on this side. She said she want her bed over here with her nightstands and end table, nightstands and stuff like that. And then over on this side, she wants to put her makeup in like a little sitting area for her, which I actually like this area. I would love to have had a sitting area in my, you on camera again, Rylan? I would love to have had a sitting area in my master bedroom. But yes, and then she has her stuff. We bought some stuff yesterday here from her closet. You guys bought some more stuff this morning? Yeah, so I don't know if she would be happy if I show y'all all her stuff everywhere in her closet because she don't have it organized. But it's a nice size walk-in closet. I like it. So yes, so let me go downstairs and show y'all the powder room. And then I may open up the door and show y'all her outdoor space because I love me some outdoor spaces. Oh, yeah. I need to show them that room. He want me to show y'all a secret room in the bathroom. Okay. So here's the powder room for like guests to use when they come over so they don't have to go up the stairs. So this is this bathroom, which I can't wait to decorate it either. And this is the secret room that Rylan wanted me to show y'all. I don't know, maybe it can be like a utility. Maybe we can keep the vacuum in there or the broom and mop. I don't know what you would keep in there because you wouldn't keep like towels and stuff in there. But yeah, so here's this bathroom here. Okay, I'm ready, Rylan. You don't have your shoes or socks on, so don't go out there. So this is the outdoor space. It's a nice size backyard. I like it. She has a little concrete slab here. And I'm going to get her a gazebo so she can sit back here. And some outdoor furniture and whatnot so she can enjoy her new place. It's really cute. So that sums up my daughter's first house tour. And I'm sure you guys are going to see many more tours and things as we get the place together. And I was telling my daughter yesterday that I want to put a wall art up there. She said that no wall art belongs up there. I'm like, girl, we can put some wall art up there or something, you know. We can do something up there. And I was even telling her that I would put the TV over here on this wall. I don't know how big it is, but I would probably put the TV over here. But she says the wall is not big enough for the TV because I would want those options. Maybe she can put her couch that way or that way. Because if she put her TV over there, she's going to be limited on how she can put her couch. But this is not my home. It's hers. So we got to go with what the homeowner says, right? So, yes, I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.